Hello everyone, I hope everyone had a wonderful break and a happy New Year's, and everyone's ready to conquer this year, and also make beautiful art. One of the things that PWAT's interested in doing this year is something different, and is to use Google Docs. It's a tool, hopefully, to reduce miscommunication, and not only for the board members, but for the members as well. This was a good tool to spread accurate information easy and faster, so it's less messy. So this video is basically going over what it's offering. If you want more information, I'm happy to give you sources to it, or you're welcome to go to one of our workshops that we're going to talk about Google Docs and how you can manipulate it. So let's begin. You do need a Gmail account. Once you're able to set it up, it's easy to go to the Drive. So you can use any internet browser. I'm just happy to use the Chrome. On Chrome, there's going to be on the top right 9 boxes, and that's where you're going to go. And the icon that has the Drive is where you're going to be clicking on. So the good thing is that you can move it any way you want. But yeah, once you click on it, it'll load up. So on the right, you can see over here just all the current activities that I've been that's been shown. On top right is how you center the middle page. If you want it in a list form or in grid. I kind of like it in the grid, so we'll keep it in the grid. Now on the left side, the button here is for any new files that you want to upload, or folders as well, or even make your own documents or spreadsheets. The good thing about it, it even has templates for you. So if you're not 100% sure how to do a spreadsheet, it has one already for you, so you can just type it in. Computer is basically how you sync your desktop with your Drive if you want to. Share with me is what people are sharing with you. So I'll go to share with me. This is my stuff that people shared with me. So study sheet, guides, assignments, papers, you name it, it's right here. Here's a phone call list of, I believe, some kind of conference. I'll just show you briefly what it is. So you can see here that there's people's name, number, and any notes that they have, like if you don't want them to call them at a certain time on the weekends or whatnot. Now, I made a rough sketch for PWATs, so let's get to that. So here's this. So you have flyers, calendars, and to-do lists are just example. Now, for the calendar, the good thing is that you can see what's going on that month. So you just have to click on the month. And for instance, here it shows any board meetings, any workshops, or if there's a monthly meeting or not. And then there's going to be a note on the bottom if there's any more specific details that you need to know. Now, if you want to share a document or whatever it is, you will have it on the top right. And that's where you click on it. You type in whoever you want to share with. For instance, I'm going to share it with myself. And here, click on it. It tells you how you want them to see it. Do you want them to see it, comment, or edit it? And in a more advanced button, it'll help you narrow it down to a certain week, month, or however you want to adjust it. I'm not going to share it. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. So this is just roughly an example of what Google Docs offers. So once again, if you're interested to get more information, I'm happy to give you the sources that can help you, or just welcome to come to one of our workshops. So thanks for your time.